Good morning, everybody. Can you see me? I'm far away from the camera so that you can see my little area here. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to try. I did bacon in my steamer Saturday night at my little party. And so I decided, hey, I can make a full meal in this pot because my little Epicure steamer is awesome for one pot meal. So let me make breakfast because I have an idea. I have a really cool idea. All right, so here we go. First, I'm going to put the bacon in my steamer. Okay, it's got a little shelf here. Let's see a little shelf, and we're going to put the bacon in here. We're going to cook it in the microwave for 6 minutes, and then I'm going to cook scrambled eggs in there in the grease. Isn't that cool? All right, here we go. Bacon. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. Some of you are off, some of you are working. I was in my home office working and decided I'm a little hungry. What am I going to eat? I want to eat something yummy. There we go. So we're going to put the bacon in the bottom and then again on the top. I cut it in half the other night, so it's in half. We put one layer and then we put our little shelf in, and then we can put another layer on top. So now for all of you that are vegan, obviously you're not going to cook bacon in here, but you can skip this part and then you could just make your eggs in here. Or if you had some veggies, you could make your veggies first. I don't know, like maybe spinach. What do y'all put in your omelets? Or do you even eat omelets? I don't know. Some people do, some people don't, so I'm not really sure. All right, so I think that's enough bacon. So let me go ahead and put this back in here. And where's my rag? I need a rag. Ugh. Here we go. Okay. Hi, Tom. How's it going? Long time no see. All right, so we've got our bacon in my little Epicure steamer pot. We're going to put this in the microwave like so for 6 minutes. Okay, here we go. I always put the steamer hose the other way, 6 minutes, because otherwise that steam will give you a facial and it's hot at the same time. So what are y'all doing today while we wait for that bacon? I see somebody else. Say hi. I'm looking at the comments on my phone because my iPad's so far away. I can't see. Plus, I can't push the little button either. You guys have a nice weekend so far. Who's off today? Who's celebrating Martin Luther King Jr. Day? We all need a little more love in our lives, don't we? To be kind to one another. We do. Okay, so here's the deal. The bacon's in there cooking, and it's going to cook for 6 minutes in the steamer, and then I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to show you. It's amazing, guys. It's truly amazing. It comes out crispy, brown, and everything. It's not wiggly or jiggly or anything. This Epicure silicone steamer is freaking amazing. You can actually put it in the oven. I don't get it. I don't understand the concepts, except somebody told me silica. What is that? Is it glass? I don't remember. Or sand. Maybe it's sand. I just know that it's amazing. All my little utensils are silicone. And like this scooper is Tony's favorite, my husband, because this thing will scrape every little bit out of a bowl. We're not going to do that today, but that's his favorite. Definitely his favorite. Now, just real quick, while the bacon's cooking, I just want to mention a couple things about Epicure. Listen, Epicure's been around. It's a Canadian company. It's like 25. It's their 25th anniversary this year. Maybe a few months away from being their 25th anniversary. But it's only been in the United States a little over 2 years. But this food is amazing, guys. You know, we are all going through a crunch time right now, trying to get healthy sourced meals. And sometimes we can't even find food in the market. So with these Epicure meals, meal solutions, the beauty of it is you just add your protein and your raw goods, and you have meals in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes top with prep. So it's great stuff. And my favorite, what really hooked me to Epicure, was the desserts, because I have a sweet tooth, and now I can eat my sweet treats guilt-free. And I have to tell you, everything's gluten-free. I don't know if I said that or not. And I have learned that my body doesn't like gluten. So all of their products, there's no gluten in any of it. So another win. Who else joined us? I don't know. Somebody's on there. Say hi. Our bacon's in the microwave cooking. 6 minutes, but it has 3 more minutes. Yay! 3 more minutes and the bacon will come out. It's amazing. So it's so easy. It's in there. It's not splattering on you, getting, grease popping on you and burning you and giving you blisters. My husband hates cooking bacon. I don't blame him. But this is going to be all cooked in one pot, so you don't have several pots, just one pot. We're going to cook the eggs in there as well, some scrambled eggs. So I can't wait to show you guys. I cooked the bacon in my Epicure steamer for the first time. Hi, Ernestine. Good morning. I'm doing bacon again, but I'm gonna do eggs as well in the same pot. How fun, right? Oh, Ernestine, I had so much fun being able to see your face and talk to you. I do these cooking parties on Zoom. And they're so much fun because all the people that are with me, I can see them and we can talk and we can ask questions, and it's cool. I know a lot of you have been on Zoom lately simply because of the pandemic and all. And it's a great alternative. I mean, Ernestine's in Missouri, and I was able to see her and hear her voice and talk with her. It was awesome. Absolutely awesome. So, anyhow, all right, so we only have a little over a minute left for the bacon, and then we'll be able to pull that out. You'll be able to see. I'm going to put it on my little plate here. I already have ready for it. And we're going to cook some eggs. Yep, we're going to do it. You know what? Hey, I'm going to cook anyway. I might as well just turn on the camera and share it with you guys because I thought this was a great idea. We'll see if it's a good idea or not. Here in just a few minutes, I'm going to crack my eggs. I made extras. I'm not eating 6 eggs, I promise you, all at once. Me personally. Not that I couldn't eat 6 eggs, but I would never eat them all in one sitting. Unless they were maybe deviled eggs. That would be a dozen, though. That would be a lot. Oh my gosh. They're condensating. All right, 30 seconds, and we'll be pulling that bacon out. You guys will get to see what we got going on there. Yay! So we got 10 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. My little girl's whining. Okay, so here we go. Gotta be careful. It is hot. All right. There we go. Okay, now you always want to pull the steamer away from you so you don't get a facial. Look at that. Okay, so bacon in there for 6 minutes. Actually, it was like 10 seconds less. Because I noticed last time it was really done, so it could have come out sooner. Okay, so check this out. Well, it's kind of stuck together, but can you see that is actual, look at that, brown, crispy bacon. Actually, I think pulling it out before the, 10 seconds earlier actually helped. Okay, so then we need to take this, the tray, let's stick it over here, and then the second part of the bacon. All right. See that? I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll bring it up close as soon as I get done with this. Okay. So now then, we have grease in there. It's a little too much to cook all these eggs in. So I'm going to have to dump some out. So hang on 1 second. I'm going to go a little bit in there for seasoning, just a little bit. I'm going to crack these eggs in here. All right. I'm going to put 6 in here. You can save that. I love egg sandwiches, scrambled egg sandwiches. Here we go. So, now that I have those eggs cracked in there, okay, got my eggs cracked in there. Okay, You know what eggs look like. So now I'm just going to whisk it a little bit. I personally don't have to have them completely blended. I kind of like them a little where they're not completely blended. I just like my eggs that way. So I'm just going to stir it a little bit in here. And then we're going to put it in there. I'm going to do 3 minutes. Let's see what it looks like in 3 minutes. We're just testing this out to see what the right combo is. All right. Lid, keeping those holes to the other side so I don't forget and open it the wrong way. All right. Clear. Eggs in. Now, if you weren't talking and presenting, this would go much faster. Oh, I'm getting stuff on my catalog. For shame. See? That was in the steamer. Look at that. Is that yummy or what? Nom, nom, nom. So, my dog Ritzy, she's over here going, yes, Mom, yes, I'm ready. Bacon. She loves bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? I guess there's some people that don't eat bacon. I don't think there's anything that bacon wouldn't make taste a little better. That's my opinion. All right. Eggs in there. Let's go ahead and toss these eggs. Oh, I put that thing. Oh, look. I don't want to cook them too long, that's for sure. All right, so it's 2 minutes. Let's take a look at them. Okay, so I need to stir them. I'm going to use this. All right, good deal. So stir those up. So duly noted, maybe at the 1 minute mark or 1.5, I need to stir it. Okay, good to know. All right, we'll put this back in for a minute and we should be good. Okay. Start. Okay, 1 more minute and our egg should be ready. Yay! And then we'll plate it up. Just like Emerald. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, turn it around this way. Again, remember the steamer holes. Gotta pull away from it. Because it's hot and steamy. Okay, here we go. Whoa. All right. Yep, they're done. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, so like 1.5 minutes stir and then 1.5 minutes and you should be good to go. All right, and that was all in one pot in this amazing steamer. So let's plate it up. Get some eggs, scrambled eggs here. Ritzy loves those too. I'll get a little extra so she can have some. There's nothing else in it at the moment, so that's cool. Set that over here. Plate some bacon. The bottom ones look like they got cooked more, but you know, looks can be deceiving. All right, check it out. Eggs and bacon in the Epicure 1-pot steamer. Woohoo! All right, guys. Thanks for joining. See you later.